Hey everybody, welcome back to channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So let's talk about today second video code. And right now they didn't give us a task, so you will not find a task session. That's why they didn't get any views. So but I'm going to share that code. I already was a new second video and I'm going to share that code. Before that, guys, if you're new in this channel, make sure guys like, share and subscribe. And guys, if you want a day one code, and if you are new in Tapswap and you want day one code to till now date, so make sure guys join my Telegram. I recently share every code from day one to right now, so definitely you have to check that. And you can see here the best crypto portfolio code which was unstoppable, and actually it shows invalid answer, invalid code. So the next code was top 15 crypto news, which code is like 3KKF7JOS, which is this also show invalid answer. But right now I'm going to share today code second code, which is on chain OMCHAN, which is on small letter. So you can check on, like, you can check comment section, or you can just enter on chain and or join my Telegram, you will get code.